what it is. What's up? Hey YouTube, it's your girl Simone. I'm coming back at you with another video. So let's go ahead and address the braids. Okay, so I got my hair done. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think. Also, if you guys are located in the DMV area, I will put her information down below in case you guys want to get these awesome braids. Okay, so you can either get $25 through the Cash App or you can receive a $25 Fashion Nova gift card, whichever you choose. So make sure you're subscribed and make sure you comment down below so you can be entered into the giveaway. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on this haul. Okay, so the first thing we have is this cute dress. Okay, it's very simple but still cute. The buttons all the way down and then it has a split. It is long, so very cute. I'm definitely keeping this. It's something I can just throw on. Okay, the next outfit is this romper. It's so cute. I'm kind of sad that it didn't work out for me, and the reason why it didn't work because in the crotch area it's a little short, so it's kind of riding the whole time. But other than that, it's so pretty. I'm so sad that it didn't work out. I really wanted to wear this, but so sad. Comment down below and let me know what you guys thought of this outfit. Okay, the next outfit we have is this pink number. It's an off-the-shoulder top, and then you have the shorts here. Now this was reading me like bubblegum machine fabric. Like this is like super thin fabric. Pattern is really cute. The design of the outfit's really cute. The shorts are super small. Like they ride up. So if you're into showing cheeks and you don't mind cheap fabric, go ahead and get this, honey. Okay? Okay. Get this. You need this. The next outfit we have is this little two-piece here. Very nice. The material's not bad. It's a little see-through, so just be mindful of that if you do decide to get it. Here's the top. It's like this, and it zips up in the back. The only thing about this one was the pants was a little tight around the thigh area and the top was too big. And that's probably because it's one size, so you get to pick one size, and I'm bigger at the bottom than I am at the top. So that was the end of the haul. Make sure you comment down below your favorite outfit, and also do not forget to enter to the giveaway. Just be subscribed and comment done, and the $25 could be yours. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, and thank us later.